Good morning everyone. Now, you might be wondering why I'm not diving. I didn't do something right yesterday in diving, which means I popped my ear underwater. So I've had to... I went to the hospital yesterday just to book an appointment with the ear specialist to see what's going on. So for now, the diving is on hold, which sucks because yesterday was really cool. I did my first 2 ocean dives. I saw a seal, it swam right up to my face. Saw sharks, pajama and shy sharks. It was so good. I'm gutted not to be able to do more, but that's just the way thing is. Right now I'm going to the shops. I need to get some bin liners because then I can put dirty washing in that and then just keep the dirty washing in that one bin bag, and I know that that's dirty. I also need to get some snacks because I'm going to walk up Lion's Head with my mum's friend Ron. She lives down here with her family, so we're going to meet up and walk up Lion's Head. That is today's plan. Here they've got these weird coconut biscuits, and they got the chocolate cream, mint choc, lemon cream, vanilla cream, strawberry and mango. I had the mango ones and they're very nice. Yeah.
It's just a fool I am to look the other way. It seems I'm lost again. It seems I've lost my way. Because I'm searching for something I hope in my heart I will find. And though it's testing my patience, I wait, I'll be biding my time. You know it's fine, I go okay. Maybe there isn't the right way. Gotta believe that I won't stray. I don't wanna play these games. All I know is I don't ever want to take this wild home.
So there's a school down that white bit. And that's your view from your classroom windows. It's really cool.
You call it what you want. I know that it's high time.
So up there is Signal Hill.
This is Signal Hill.
Signal Hill over there, yeah? And then that big green spot down there.
Oh, that's Greenpoint Park.
Greenpoint Park. So my hostel's down there, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, that's
I'll find. Because I'm searching for something I hope in my heart I will find. And though it's testing my patience, I wait, I'll be biding my...
Alright, so we're going up the staples now. I'm going to put the camera away just because I think I need 2 hands. So, up there.
You know it's fine, I go okay. Maybe there isn't the right way. Gotta believe that I won't stray. I don't wanna play these games. All I know is I don't ever want to take this wild home from beating for another. And I won't turn off the light. And I won't put out the fire. And I won't turn off the light. And I won't put out the fire. And I won't turn off the light. And I won't put...
So yes, we have got to the top of Lion's Head. Quite a easy but scrambly walk, but it's good fun. Next up is Table Mountain, of course. Takes a bit longer. I'm not going to do it today. It's floating me up a bit. But yeah, the car's down there. You keep going, and then I think you just make your way around, maybe up to that ridge, that little dip, and then up there. So that is another day. Maybe tomorrow, who knows? After my doctor's visit. But yeah, I'm gonna take some photos here. We'll spend a little bit of time, then we'll go back down to the car park down there and work our way over to Signal Hill, and take a look at that. maybe I can find a way that I can walk up and down just this evening for sunset. That's everything.
Thinking its real name. It's a rock dassie, and you see them on safari in the trees as well sometimes. A tree dassie.
So that little creature there is called a dassie.
Yeah.
A dassie, and it's the closest living relative to an elephant, apparently.
Put out the fire, and I won't turn off the light.
Okay, we're on our way down now. I'm not sure how much you can actually see me. There we go, that's probably better. It's quite hard going down just because it's so steep, and it's a bit slippery as well, so being careful.
It's fine, I got all day. Maybe there isn't a right way. Gotta believe that I
And we're back at the hostel. Yes, lunch, and then we'll see what else we're gonna do.
It's why you know you're beating for another.
Right, so I made some pasta for lunch. My ear is still, I can't hear anything really out of that ear. It's very weird. Eat this, then I'm not sure what we're going to do this afternoon. I'm not sure. Right, so we are very white. We're going to go to a place called Sea Point, and then walk along the promenade, sort of like the other way to where I went the other night. And then there's like a little deli market and some shops and stuff, so we're just gonna go and check that out. I got a wet foot, that's not good. I'm gonna head that way and then back along now. I think I've walked this way far enough. I wanted to try and get to a beach that I saw from at the top of Lion's Head, but it's like another hour walk that way I think, so I'm gonna call it a day I think. Finish the vlog here because I'm currently editing it. I'm going to go have dinner and then might go to the bar and have a drink, and then yeah, so I'm just going to end it there. Hope you've enjoyed the vlog, the first full proper vlog that I've done, and it was a good day. As always, travel, discover, explore. Raining and a bit cooler today, so I'm in my climate. Yeah, but excited. In my wetsuit, about to do my first ocean dive. I'm in Simonstown. There's a little yacht down there. Hey. These are my instructors. Yeah. First ocean dive, and we'll see how it goes. I'll let you know later. So I'm currently in my room. I've got to be quiet because there's someone asleep over there, but I'm watching the Liverpool game and they're 1-0 up.